Hi, it's Paul from HobbyLink International. Don't forget, the subscribe button is down there somewhere. There's also a bell that'll get you notified of all the future videos from Kenny and myself. Today we're going to have a look at a new decal sheet from Iliad Design about Naval T-Birds. You might remember that they've already done one decal sheet about T-Birds, Naval T-Birds. This is in 1/48th, and this is about more Naval T-Birds. So this is a new decal sheet from Iliad Design, 1/48th. We'll take that out of here, see what we have. As you can tell, this is more Naval T-Birds, meaning there's been some before, which there has, so this is their, not their first decal sheet on Naval T-Birds. So there's colour paper, double-sided, 4 decal options on here: T33B, T33 of the from Canada, a TV2 for the Marines, and a T33B of the US Navy. What I like about Iliad is they give you all the extra little snippets of information to make sure you get it right, like the nose here is unpainted. The intake lip and very tip of the tank are not painted. Colour guides. A little bit there about fin tip is leading. Fin tip is light grey with a black leading edge. It's a different colour from the rest of the aircraft. There's all the little extra details that Iliad put in that makes them a bit different to a lot of the other people who make decals over the sheet. Over the side, sorry. Top and bottom views where needed. What they've done here is basically faded the views on the underneath so you can see where things go. And again, more little hints about particular aircraft, like outlet vents on some of the Canadian aircraft. And then what an unpainted flying leading edge and intake lip actually looks like. So then if we have a look at the decal sheet itself, I'll do a close-up of this as we go through it. You can see everything is nice and in register, colours are good. The only backing film I can see is where you'd expect it to get letters and things to line up. So that's pretty neat. Okay, so best place to get these is direct from the manufacturers again. I'll put a link under the video. Hope you liked the quick look.